On this video, we share our DIY gate project of JB Viller channel. This is a 4-panel driveway gate and 1 service gate with mailbox. This simple gate design was installed in Southland, Las Piñas. We also customized your steel gate design. If you like to inquire the price of your gate, we need the height, the width of the gate, and the design of the gate. If you want to visit our shop, we located at Unit D Creekside, Green Valley, San Nicolas 3 Bacoor, Cavite. Or you may call at smart number 0960-342-4362. Just look for Jojo, only office hour. If you want our other sample works, you can visit our FB page at JB Viller channel page, so that you can get an idea of your next DIY simple project. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow. We also accept the repair of the roll-up door and a new one for your next project. Manual or motorized roll-up door. Please send the height and the width so that we give you the price. If you agree the price, then we will measure your roll-up door for the fabrication. Thank you for your support. Mga kaalam. We love you.